Hey guys, this is Skip Banter with Tar Heel Parts here today, and we have Michelle's Maxima, an '06 Maxima, and the headlights are headlight is a little bit cloudy on this side. That side was replaced due to conversation with the deer, and this side is older and kind of faded due to the sunlight. And what we're basically going to do is polish this out today and hopefully make it like that. We'll start off with the Tripoli compound. This is the cutting compound with the loose section buff, and we'll spend 75% of our time with that compound getting it in good shape. Then we'll follow up with the blue compound and two Canton flannels stacked together on this arbor. And I'm going to do it with the drill so that you can do it on the car. This is just a variable speed DeWalt drill. It's 2,000 RPMs, and this buff has been used, so it's black, but it's the loose section just like this. And I have it set up on a stool so it's easy to hang on to. I've got the compound bungee corded to the stool, and let's get going. So here we go. And we'll want to put compound on this buff about every 30 seconds at the very least or whatever. And we'll use, of course, you want to have all of your safety stuff on too, so make that applicable to the situation that you're in anyway. So here we go. Now, and a hint also, since the buff is spinning in this direction, it's rotating this way, you generally want to start on this side and work your way across like this. I did start over here just by accident or whatever, but you may have noticed it'll clean it off better if you work your way back and forth this way, the way in which the buff is wanting to turn. And you can see what it's done. That's just the initial cut. It's really looking pretty good. Down here I may have some problems because it's eaten up with some sand. Due to road rash or whatever you would like to call that. So let me just keep it going. Now at this point you can see some little black dots and such in there. That's where a rock hit it, and it's gone into the surface pretty deep. You could probably sand that right out, and I may show you a little spot in just a second, but let's go ahead and finish it on up and see how bad it is before we go ahead and sand. Oh, and also I have the tape around here in case I slip off the lens and I don't hit the paint. We don't want to destroy the paint. there we go. That's the initial cut. You'll see some little boo-boos that are pretty bad right here, where the compound is starting to stack up around there. And I'll take a little bit of sandpaper. This is 220 grit, and we're just going to sand it right out like that. Give it a little crosshatch action like that. All right, you can see the majority of it's gone. You can still see a little bit right there. And then to buff it out, this is just 240. I may have said 220 a minute ago, but it's 240. Okay, so you can see it's just about gone right there, that little spot. All right, now to get the compound off, you just finish with the rotation of the buff. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and change buffs now, and if you want all this out, you would just simply sand it out, 240 or 320 and then 600, and it would come right out easily. Now I'm putting on the Canton flannel, these two buffs right here, and I'm going to be using the blue compound to clear it up. Switch this around like this. If there's any excess compound, just wipe that off, and here we go. There we go. Good as new. Yes, it still has some little dents in there from sand and such like that, but you can sand those out if you like, depending upon your preference and your likes. Give us a call at Tar Heel Parts, 1-800-322-1957. And we have a website, tarheelparts.com, and we're on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you very much.